Hey guys, it's Deborah from Time is Joe by Deborah. I am on fun box number 3, I think. This one came from Phoenix, Arizona. I received it December 2nd. Let's hope for a Christmas box. I got one of these. I got a Christmas box last year or the year before. It was all Disney branded. You guys will have to look that up. I might be able to post it up here. It was a great box. It was one of my very first boxes, I think, that I got from ThredUP. So it was fantastic. All right. Let's go ahead and pop this baby open. I ordered this November 23rd of 2023. Let's hope it's as good as box number 2. Interesting. All right. Let me go ahead and put this over here. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. It is a deep raspberry with black. Oh, you guys, this is fantastic. Wow. Really nice. I'm looking to see if there's any holes or anything. You know, there shouldn't be. Here's the back side. So I'm looking for a label. I don't see one, but it's reversible. Beautiful. I will definitely look this up and put the information up there. All right. Then we got a new belt. This is, I'm not sure who this is by. It's unbranded, I think. But it is brand new. I didn't want to undo it. So yeah, I don't see any name. I'll do like a Google search on it. But I'm going to have to open it up to find out how big it is. So we got a new we got some clearance sunglasses. Looks like they're from Target. And 100% UV. I see another pair of sunglasses in there too. Alright. This is not a Christmas box. Alright, then we've got a pair of pretty cheapy looking, but there is some numbers on it. Sunglasses. They are a little dirty. Maybe a minor scratch there. I'll have to look those up. A piece of jewelry. Looks like a stretchy bracelet. The stretch is okay on it. I would say I would not trust that. It's pretty, it's not very strong. So if you decided you wanted it, you might want to restrain it. All right. Then we got a pair of Brits Knits boot socks, cozy and chic. These are cute. Oh my gosh. They're adorable. One size fits most. I love that. Those are adorable. Alright. Then we got a pair of sockhouse.co. Little pride bow on the back. Those are sweet. Alright, then we got Athleta Made to Move bandana, a pack of 2. That's great. Alright, then we got a pair of gloves. These are pretty. They're called Barberry, knitted in the Shetland Islands, you guys. These are fantastic. That means it's wool, and I'm going to start itching really soon. Yes, these are tiny, but beautiful. I have to put them down or I will seriously start itching. Alright, then we got a black handbag. That's pretty. Really pretty. I like how it goes in on the side. Let's see if there's any brand name. I don't see one, but boy, is this a really pretty bag. It's nice. It is a real step here. But yeah, I'll definitely look that up. I don't see any name brands, but that's really pretty. It's heavy. Alright. And then we've got a Tory Burch wallet. There's some ink there. I will try to get that off. Maybe with tub of towels. Not sure. We'll see how deep it is. The wallet itself looks great. Let's see if the zipper works. Alright, the zipper does work. It looks good. So, alright. So, not bad. So, the only thing is some ink right there, and I think I can get that out. Alright, so we got Tory Burch. We got the black purse. We've got the wool gloves. We got the ThredUP. We got the sock and coat. We got these adorable boot socks. We got the pair of sunglasses that I will have to look up. We got the Target sunglasses. We got the belt. We got the bracelet. And we got that beautiful reversible scarf. Alright, so if you guys are interested in any of these pieces, email me at timelessjewelbydeborah@gmail.com. All the information's down there, and you will see a green screen at the end of this video. So, what you guys think? Anything in there that you like? Let me know. Alright, you guys, you have a fantastic day, and as always, be well and tell someone you love them today. Bye, you guys.